Hi, everybody. I'm Helen McConnell from helenmcconnell.com. I am your tapping expert. This is a brief video on the basics of tapping. So join with me, tap along with me. First of all, I'll show you the points. They're super simple. Just tap along while we check them all out. Side of the hand, you can take your two right fingers, three fingers if you want, right to left. On this soft, fleshy side of your hand between your finger joint and your wrist joint, right there in the middle, nice and soft. Okay, you can go right to left or left to right. Tons of research has shown that this alone begins to lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone. This begins to calm the nervous system. All right, and then we go to the top of the head. And don't worry, I'll go through this again. And then we go to the inner eyebrow. You can use one hand or two hands right there at where your eyebrow ends. These are all acupuncture meridian points. Side of the eye right here. Under the eye. Again, one hand or two hand. You can do it whatever feels better for you. Then we go under the nose, under the lower lip. We go right on the collarbone. And I've started adding right in here. I suggest you just use your whole hand across here and get both collarbones and your thymus. The thymus is an organ right in here, a little gland rather, right in here. That's very important for your immune system. So just do it all. Okay, and then the final point in our basic round is under the arm. You can't really see my underarm here. Let me turn it down. You can reach across like this, right to left, right to left, left to right, or you can reach under, what I call monkey style, about 4 inches down from your armpit. Okay, so that's the basic round. We'll go over it again and we'll add some words. We'll do an actual round of tapping. The first thing I want you to do is notice in your body any stress. And you may think your stress is coming from your mind because you have stressful thoughts. That's accurate, but it's showing up however you want to measure it. Stressful thoughts in your mind or stressful feelings in your body. On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being no stress at all and 10 being totally stressed out, rate the intensity of your current stress level in your body or your mind right now. And you might want to write it down so you don't forget. But let's say most people ride it around a 6, some more, some less. And I want to get you down to where you have very little stress, where you only have stress when you actually need it, okay? Most people are under stress when they don't need to be stressed. All right, so we're going to tap like this, and we're going to state a phrase. This is called the setup statement. You tap on the side of your hand, repeat after me. Even though I feel this stress, and you say that, and I'm going to use 6 as the number. I feel it at a 6 intensity. And you can even say 6 if that wasn't yours, or you can say whatever number was yours. You can fill that in. Say, I deeply and completely accept myself. And we're going to stay here on the side of the hand, and we're going to repeat this phrase 3 times, something like it. Even though I feel this stress at a 6 intensity, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel this stress at a 6 intensity, I deeply and completely accept myself. Okay, now we're going to go around to those points that I showed you. I'll say the name and we're going to do a reminder phrase. You tap on top of your head, say something like this stress. I'm just going to use one hand. Go to your inner eyebrow at a 6 intensity. Side of the eye. This stress I feel. Under the eye at a 6 intensity. Under the nose. I feel this stress at a 6 intensity. Under the lower lip. This stress. Collarbone at a 6 intensity, or you can do it right across here at a 6 intensity. Under the arm, this stress I feel at a 6 intensity. All right, so that's the basic. And you just take a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Now check back in with your stress level and notice if it's gone up or down or stayed the same. Give it a new intensity level, 0 to 10. Okay, and just notice. And you can do this 3 or 4 times to bring your stress level down. And the more you practice it, the faster your stress level will go down. All right, so that's the basics. If you have any questions, you can put them in the chat below or email me. All right, keep tapping, release your stress. Have a great day.